So what's up guys, Josh with Driver Motorsports here, and I got something really cool for you. A real wheel horsepower video on this, a 1991 Acura NSX. Got the Honda badges on there because, you know, got to make them Honda guys happy. Now this is a USDM car, came to us not too long back, and it dynoed at 262 horsepower and 199 foot-pound of torque in NA form. Well, this little guy's got turbo now, so stay tuned. We're going to show you what it's got and the power it makes with the boosty boy. Alright guys, so that was this 91 Turbo NSX. I want to talk about the kit a little bit before we get into what kind of power it made. So this is the Love Fab Stage 2 kit with a Precision 6262 turbo, capable of making upward of 600 horsepower. Now this one is bone stock, internals and all that good stuff, so hey, we're really going to play conservative on this one. Typically you'll see around the 400 horsepower, maybe peak of 500 horsepower range with this setup, and you know, knowing that, hey, we're gonna be safe and good to go. So that run, we made a whopping 336 horsepower and 310 foot-pound of torque. So very equally powered, and that was only on 6-7 pounds of boost. So we're very excited about this. Hopefully, you know, Ben's gonna be really happy with it, and it's a great driving car. So few more things to tidy up. We did some gauge installs, and we got to make a shield for the turbo. But other than that, hey, that's real wheel horsepower. I'm Josh with Driver Motorsports. That's a 91 NSX Turbo.